Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link a customdomain.com with your Blogger blog. As you can see, I'm using right now a subdomain of Blogspot, domain blogspot.com. How can I change it to use Minsweb.com, which is a domain that I bought on Namecheap? It's a custom domain. It costs like the first time it costs like around $7, and the next time it's gonna be $14 or something like that. And to do that, all we have to do is go to Namecheap and buy it. As you can see, I have it right here. And after you do that and go to Blogger and then go to settings and scroll down to custom domain. As you can see, click on it, and then you're gonna write www. and then write your domain, Minsweb in my case, and then .com. Make sure that you're using www. Before you write your, and after choose these informations, go to Namecheap. Don't close that window. Go to Namecheap and then go to manage. Go to your domain and then click on manage, and then go to advanced DNS, and let's scroll down. We're gonna remove these CNAMEs, everything in here, and then click on add new record. Let's choose a CNAME record, and then in here we're gonna copy these informations. As you can see, the name is gonna be www3w. Let's paste it in here in the host, and then the destination is gonna be this one, ghs, and then .google.com. Let's copy this one, copy, and then paste it in the value in here. Let's click on add a new record as well. Let's choose CNAME record, and go to the name as well in the second section. The next name, let's copy it. It's gonna be a different value than this one. Let's paste it in the host, and in the value, let's copy this value. It's gonna be different, a unique code in here, or a unique URL, and paste it in here, and then click on save changes. And also we have to add an e-records. Let's add a new record, and then e-record, and in here we're gonna write at, and I'm gonna leave you these codes in here, these numbers for the value of it. Let's copy the first one and then paste it in here in the IP address, and then let's add 4 e-records in here for the other IPs. All right, and then we copy the next one and then we paste it in here. And don't forget to write at in each one like this. And then let's copy the third IP address. Okay, let's paste it in here. And the fourth one, let's copy it and paste it in here. And we're gonna save all the values right now. Click on save, and this check mark. It means right now it's updated successfully. And then let's go back to Blogger settings and then click on save. As you can see, settings updated. Let's right now click on view blog. As you can see, it's changed. And there is another thing we have to do it before that. Let's go to settings, and we have to check this one, redirect domain, to be www.minsweb.com, just like this. And scroll down to enable also the HTTPS. Let's enable it. And then as you can see right now, and redirect also, make sure it's enabled. Now we're finished with the custom domain. Let's just refresh the page right now. And let's open this link right now, and as you can see, it's changed to www.minsweb.com. Now you have to wait. Till it's working. It's connected to Google, to DNS that we made, and it's gonna work normally. Let's open it in incognito tab. As you can see, click on continue. This shows same error, and let's wait till it's fixed. And as you can see, I do refresh right now, and it shows this seat can't be reached, and right now the time is 1:53, and now it's still not working till now, but HTTPS is working well. As you can see, it's set it up. Let's try to open it in incognito if there's like some cache or something. No, it's not. It is not working. We have to wait more time to check again. We're gonna check it again after it's working. And the time right now is 2 a.m. I'm gonna refresh the page to make sure if it's working well or not. As you can see now, it is working. It takes about 15 minutes, almost like 20 or 30 minutes. Like the maximum is gonna reach 1 hour, and it's gonna be updated. As you can see right now, I can browser my blog, as you can see, with my custom domain with HTTPS enabled. And that's it, guys. This is how you can link your customdomain.com or any other domain with Namecheap and Blogger. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. See you next time.